Hi, I'm Will Rasper with Copper Pipe Plumbing Service Incorporated. We service the greater Cincinnati and Dayton, Ohio area for all your plumbing needs. Call us 24 hours a day, 7 days a week at 513-813-7526. Today we're going to teach you how to solder copper pipe. So what we have here to start is 1/2-inch copper pipe. We have a 1/2-inch fitting. We also have a torch, a map torch with an igniter and a head. We have solder. We prefer Bridget in this area. We really like that solder. We have a 1/2-inch fitting brush, sand cloth, doesn't matter what kind, open or mesh or whatever you like. And we have a flux brush. I prefer to use number 5 OD flux paste. Most of the stuff you can pick up anywhere, Home Depot, Lowe's, Menards, any of your supply houses, you can pick this material up. So first things first, when you go to solder copper pipe, you take your piece of copper, we tear off a piece of sand cloth here, and we clean the copper. We just kind of rotate it like this. Remember, the biggest reason we do this is if the copper isn't clean, it won't solder properly. So we clean it off, get it nice and shiny, we take it in our vise. Now if you're doing this in a wall, let's say you're doing a repair right now, you must make sure when you cut it that all the water is out of the pipe or else it won't solder. All you're doing is heating water and steam and it won't solder. So you always want to make sure all the water's out. If you're having trouble, give us a call. We'll help you out. We take it, we clamp it down there. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to clean our fitting. Right now we're using a 1/2-inch male adapter. Just happen to have some extras, so we're going to clean that, take some turns in there. We're going to look inside, make sure it's clean. Then we're going to take our flux. We're going to take the lid off the flux. We're going to take our flux brush next, dip it into flux. I like to just coat it evenly all the way around the pipe. This is what causes the solder to suck into the fitting and causes a capillary action. So we flux that. We're going to flux the inside of the fitting next. Okay, then we're going to take the fitting, we're going to stick it all the way on, make sure it's all the way on. I like to put a bucket underneath here. You know, be cautious when you're soldering. You don't want to start a fire, so be cautious. Next thing we're going to do is take our torch, we're going to screw it on here. We like these because it's got an automatic start on it. All you do is turn it on right here. Okay. What we're going to do next is take our solder. Like I said, we prefer Bridget, but you can use whatever you like. And we're going to evenly heat around the pipe and fitting. You actually want to heat the fitting because you're going to cause the solder to have the capillary action so it'll move up in the pipe. We're going to take our solder. We're going to apply the solder all the way around the pipe and fitting. And you gotta be careful, make sure it doesn't come off. Okay, so that's about enough heat. We're gonna take it all the way around, evenly around the pipe and fitting. And you'll feel it melts. You'll feel it roll all the way around, nice smooth melts. And then we always knock off the edge here, take that off. And that's all there is. So the pipe is now soldered evenly all the way around. We heated it evenly around. Now we're gonna let it cool off. Be careful, you don't wanna touch it. It's going to be hot for a while. So once it cools, you're ready to go. Like I said, make sure you get the water out of the line. Make sure the pipe is clean. Make sure you evenly use the flux and heat it evenly all the way around. And that's how you solder copper pipe. Once again, call us if you need us in Cincinnati or Dayton, Ohio area. 513-813-7526. Or go to our website at www.copperpipeplumbingservicesinc.com. And once again, have a great day. Thank you.